Lakewood, when storm season hits, your basement's safety depends on one powerhouse device, your sump pump. At Belmar Lake Plumbing, our sump pump repair and replacement service arrives in a flash to keep your home dry and protected. Imagine rising, water knocking at your door. Then picture our expert technicians swooping in, diagnosing issues with precision and restoring your pump's peak performance. From worn-out switches and clogged intakes to motor failures and power interruptions, we tackle every challenge head-on, delivering fast, reliable repairs that ward off flooding nightmares. When a repair isn't enough, we install top-tier replacement, pumps built for Lakewood's toughest conditions, featuring backup batteries, alarm systems, and high-capacity motors that stand ready for any deluge. Our local crews know the area's drainage challenges, so we recommend solutions optimized for your home's layout and your family's peace of mind. No more anxious nights listening for water creeping in. With Belmar Lake Plumbing, you get lightning fast. Response times, clear communication at every step, and work performed with the respect your property deserves. We leave your sump pit spotless, your system tested, and your home safeguarded against unexpected water damage. For Lakewood residents, proactive sump pump service is the ultimate defense against costly floods and stress. Don't wait until water rises. Call Belmar Lake Plumbing for sump pump repair and replacement you can trust. Keep your basement dry, your belongings safe, and your mind at ease, because when rain falls, we rise to the challenge.